Now we carefully apply the wire to separate the sealant from the frame.
We're slowly peeling back the layers here. And as you can see, the rust is extensive.
Okay, gently remove this final screw. Make sure it goes right into the magnetic tray. Now we can carefully disconnect the wiring harness.
As the panel comes free, we can finally see the extent of the corrosion and the aged wiring behind the door card.
Look at that steady drip. We definitely need to reseal the differential while it's up.
Last section of the floor pan, right?
Yeah, almost ready for the epoxy primer.
This is the underside of the M3. We use fine garnet abrasive to get this satisfying finish. This is the legendary S14, the very heart of the 1988 M3. A greasy masterpiece, still holding its secrets.
We're polishing the crankshaft journals of this 1988 M3. Using a lubricated cloth, we achieved this perfect. Resurfacing the heart of the M3 with micron precision. The Alpine white block requires nothing less.
The camshaft glides into the S14 block. Perfectly lubricated precision.
Final stage of polishing, bringing this classic BMW valve cover to a perfect, flawless mirror shine. Truly reflective.
The S14 engine is now secured. We're applying 65 Newton meters of torque to the engine mounts.
Methodical connections are key. Hear that click. Now the fuel lines, just a gentle turn with the torque wrench.
Carefully routing the lines around the subframe. Now we use the flare nut wrench to secure the fitting.
Look at that texture coming through. Yeah, making good progress now.
Just a thin coat here to fill the imperfections. Smoothing it out nicely along the body line.
to that smooth flow. We use only the clearest coolant for optimal performance.
Sounds perfect. This Alpine white is looking absolutely flawless under the studio lights. The deep, wet look is incredible.
Listen to that engine purr. This is what driving is all about. Finding peace on the open road. Reflections on the open road. The ultimate driving machine. Alpine White M3. Notice the sharp lines of the boxy fenders and the gleaming kidney grille. A true legend. Alpine White E30 M3 is absolutely flawless. The attention to detail on this restoration is incredible. Of an icon. The Alpine White BMW M3 E30.